Hi guys, and welcome to the video. Now today there is a very special Black Friday deal. Now I'm only going to tell you about this today and tomorrow, so you're going to get a couple of mails about this from me. So if you want this, you need to be really quick. Now I've spoken about ClickDesigns all year. I first promoted it in February. Since I first tested this in February, so I've been using it for like kind of 9 months. In 9 months, it's saved me around about $14,000. A little bit more than that, actually. But not only the money that it saved me, it's time. It saved me hundreds of hours of work. It saved my team hundreds of hours of work. It is my kind of go-to app for creating quick marketing graphics. If you're doing any kind of marketing online, you need ClickDesigns. Now, they're doing a Black Friday special, as I said. Cheapest price it's ever been. It's $27. I know it's going up as well when they start relaunching again next year. So if you want this, you need to be quick. Cheapest price it's ever been, $27. Plus, they have a bundle bonus. Kind of the first time they've done the bundle package. So the bundle package features all the products in the funnel. So you're going to save hundreds of dollars. Now, if you haven't purchased ClickDesigns previously or seen this, then you need to jump on it because, as I said, it is going up. The price is the cheapest it's ever going to be, and I have an amazing bonus for it as well. Now, I've added in a kind of Black Friday bonus for ClickDesigns, and that is my Pixel Access All Areas. Now, I launched this, I think it's in March, April this year. I can't remember the date now. It's slipped my mind. It's beginning of the year. I launched this. Now, the Pixel Access All Areas is the bundle of the whole Pixel funnel. You get the front end, you get all the upsells, and you also get the resellers as well. So this sells in the funnel at $247. So if you purchase the bundle through me for ClickDesigns, I will give you Pixel Access All Areas as well. So an amazing bonus, it really is. Now, I've also got the ClickDesigns training. I've got the ClickDesigns promotion pack. I've got all my reseller bonuses. I've got a ClickDesigns 1 hour call with me, but you need to purchase the upgrade for that. So if you purchase the bundle, you'll get the 1 hour call. That 1 hour call, you can ask me anything about ClickDesigns, how I use it, etc. How I use to save money, how my team uses it to save money. So that 1 hour call will help you, jump ahead with ClickDesigns. I've got the agency bundle as well. Plus, I've got all my bonuses packs from 2020 right to the end of 2021. Now, you'll get that again if you purchase the bundle upgrade. Okay, so huge bundle of products here, as you can see. Lots and lots. But I mean, the Pixel one is only for the Black Friday deal. So if you want that, you do need to act over the next few days. Okay. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to jump across to the ClickDesigns page. Then I'm going to jump inside ClickDesigns. I'm going to show you how I use it and, my favorite parts of it. But remember, it's the cheapest price it's ever been. You will never get it lower than it is today. Okay. So thanks for watching. Watch the rest of the video. Okay, so when you come across to the ClickDesigns page, make sure that you copy coupon Black Friday. Pretty easy to remember. Black Friday. Go to Get ClickDesigns now. So you'll go across to JV Zoo and you can see it's $67. Make sure that you put in Black Friday. Click Apply. Wait for it to activate. And you can see it's come down to $27. Now, if you want the bundle, you need to tick here, ClickDesigns bundle, and you'll see that updates to 324. So you get the ClickDesigns Maximizer. The current price on that is $147. You get the professional version, which is $127. You get the design pages, which is $97. You get the agency version as well, which is $247. So a total yearly price of $618. Plus you get a bonus one of ClickDesigns thumbnails, which is $99. Plus the marketing kit, which is a current price of $167. Okay, so a huge saving. Now, remember, if you purchase the bundle through me, you get those upgraded features like the 2020 to 21 bonuses. You get the agency, you get that 1 hour call, so you get all that. Plus, you get that pixel access all areas, which is selling right now at $247. That's not a price I just made up or anything like that. That's selling right now on JVZoo for $247. Okay, so huge saving. So I'm going to jump inside ClickDesigns now so you can see what it's all about, what it does, and why I love it so much. Okay guys, here we are inside ClickDesigns. Now this is my account. As you can see, I'm actively using it. This is the last graphic I made. It was a graphic for a site. I'm updating my main site. You can see, me and myself and my team, we use these all the time. All these have been used in my bonuses. So this is the main dashboard. You can come here to my designs. That's your latest designs that you've been creating, latest graphics, all the latest graphics that are being added. And the great thing about ClickDesigns, it's constantly updated. It's not, just a few templates, and it's updated every single kind of day and week. It's crazy how many templates there is in here to start with. You've got everything that you need. You can see here latest logos, latest box shops, latest covers, and if you want to click view all, just click view all. Now let me show you some of the things that I like about ClickDesigns. I'm not going to go through it all because it is a huge system, but let's go to this one here that says my designs. This is a graphic that I did as I said, for one of my main sites. Now if you come here to these little three dots at the end, click here, you've got a whole menu. You can do different things with it. So you can save to a folder, you can share it if you're sharing it with somebody. You've got a drive in ClickDesigns that you can kind of add different folders for. If you're doing work for different clients, and if you've got different projects, you can add them there. You can duplicate the design, you can preview it. This is what I like here. You can set it in real time. So if you click on real time, what you can do is you can copy that graphic. So let's say I'm putting this graphic on my site. What I can do with ClickDesigns, I can go back to that graphic anytime, make any edits to it, update it, add maybe something to it. And when I save it on ClickDesigns, it's automatically saved wherever I'm using it. So I don't have to download the graphic again, upload it, or anything like that. It's automatically done in real time. It updates the graphic. So really simple. It's a good time saver as well. And you can download or delete as well there. Okay, so we've got templates and we've got my designs. So templates, let me show you some of the templates we've got. So you've got logos, you've got box shots, you've got covers, you've got sheets, you've got devices, bundles, illustrations, annotations, backgrounds, you've got funnels, you've got marketing, you've got thumbnails. And thumbnails, as I said, that's just come in, and I think that's one of the extra bonuses on there that you're going to get. But let's come back over here. Let's come to logos. And you can see some of the, templates you can start working with here. There's tons and tons of different templates. Really simple to use as well. So let's choose one. Let's just choose this one here, this tech closet. So click use template. So I'll just call it TC. Click continue. Now the one thing about these designs, everything is editable. You can change as much as you want. So the graphics, you can, swap out these graphics. You can change your text. You can change whatever you want. Now, in fact, I would be better showing you with, I'll just jump back because I'm going to show you one with multiple colors in there, because this is another thing that I do like about ClickDesigns. So we'll come to logos. We want something a little bit colorful. Okay, so let's go with this one. Call it preview. Continue. So what I want to show is how you can change the color palette, even if there are icons on there. So you're not kind of set, with the icon colors or anything like that. Just let it load. Okay, so let's for example look at this icon. So click on the icon. So you can see here you've got the color palette. So you can change the color palette on the icon. So if you don't want this blue, let's say your brand's red, right? And so we want to get rid of this light blue and we want to change it to red. So let's copy that. Okay, so let's go back over here and again just change that to red. And this one here at the top, again, just change it to red. So you can instantly see you've changed that. So even the icons, you know, you can change the color of, because you're not stuck with that icon. You can get the color palettes and change those around. Okay, and they've got tons and tons of different icons to use. So let me just show you what we've got here. So we've got 3D logos, animals and pets, auto and service, cleaning, business entrepreneur, cryptocurrency, dating, dental. As you can see, it just goes on and on. So it's just tons and tons of icons to use. So if, let's say, scroll back up here, let's say you're doing a logo for a local car firm, something like that, just click on that. And if you wanted to use this one, just click on it and it drops. So you can see I've opened this icon here, but you can see the colors are set there. So if I want to change those colors, and let's say the garage's colors are like maybe a dark blue, something like that, you can instantly change those colors just by clicking on the color palette. So really simple to do and really easy to do. Now when you come to export, you can export in PDF, you can export PNG, JPEG, WebP, SVG as well. You can select the DPI. So if you want to do this kind of for print or anything like that, you know, you'd select a 300 DPI. You can trim the white space off. You can watermark as well, which is good because in the agency section of this, you can add your own kind of logo. So let's say you're doing this for a car firm and you want to say, look, you know, this is what the logo's like. What do you think to it? You can watermark it so they can't use it. So you could say, here, have a look, and they could say, yeah, change this or change that, rather than just taking it and saying, you know, not paying you, because you can watermark it so they can't kind of just take the logo. Okay, let's come back across to ClickDesigns. So you've got box shots. I mean, we use it for box shots all the time, and there's tons and tons of box shots again. You know, templates just go on and on. As you can see, I could just keep clicking and clicking. You've got hundreds and hundreds of templates to go at. You can see, just view more and more. So let's just go back to some of the latest ones. So I'll use this one. I'll just call it Design 2. Continue. Again, with the box shots, you can change everything on here. So let's say we want to change this front page. Just click on it, edit. Now you can make this box shot, you know, whatever you want. So like, for example, if you wanted to get rid of this robot here, as you can see, is there. Just scroll down, delete, and you know, you can drop something else in. So we've got elements in there, you've got business characters, commerce, copywriting, emojis, hands, 3D items, marketing text pack, people, stickers. You can see it goes on and on and on. There's just tons of different ones that you can drag across here. So let's put one over here. We can just drag one of these men over there. Let's use this one. You can just drag him in if you want. If you want to change the name instead of, let's just call it affiliate rights. Just make that a little bit smaller. You can see when it centers off as well, it helps you line everything up, change the colors on everything. When you're kind of satisfied with what you want, just click save and exit, and you can see it's all changed. And again, you can change the, you know, the side as well. So let's say you wanted to, for elements, let's say you wanted to drop a barcode on there, make it look a little bit different at the bottom. Just drop a barcode, drag it down, save and exit, see it's there. When you finish, just hit save and export it. Again, you've got all those different formats to export it in. Let's jump back. So you've got covers, and again with covers, you've got tons and tons of templates to go at. Just look at all these templates. Again, he just carries on and on. Everything is fully editable as well. So, you know, nothing's static. You've got sheets you can change. You've got worksheets, checklists, cheat sheets. You've got devices to use. So, you know, these are some new ones I haven't actually seen. These have been in since last time I was in here. So you got watches, you got computers, and again, tons of templates. They just load forevermore. So you've got bundles, devices, you've got bundles. Bundles are really nice. As you can see, got some great bundle designs on here, and everything in there is fully editable. Plus, you can also customize your own bundle if you want. And I'll show you how to do that in a moment. Go back to templates. So you've got illustrations. You know, these are great for marketing graphics for your sales pages or your lead pages, things like that. Annotations, again, everything here, you just change it around, preview as well. Then let's go over here. You've got backgrounds you can change and edit, and then you've got funnels, some nice graphics in the funnel section. Again, this is great for if you're building your sales pages or your bonuses. I use things like this from the bonus designs. You've got marketing graphics, tons of marketing different sizes here as well. You've got thumbnails. So as you can see, lots and lots to choose from. Then if you come over to custom, excuse me, you can create your own group bundle. So let's just call it group. Then you can choose from group, shots, continue. Then you can package these up, save them as you want, so you can create a completely customized, unique bundle. You've got the drive, as I talked about. You've got your drive to different kind of designs can go in if you're working for different clients, things like that. You've got your favorites, and you've got my designs. You know, any designs that you create go here. And if you kind of then wanted to like jump across the box shots that you created, just go to boxes. You can see this one I've just created now. So if you don't have ClickDesigns, trust me, if you're doing any type of marketing online, get it now, because it's the cheapest it will ever be. Plus, if you decide to buy that bundle, you will get my bundle bonus as well. So thanks for watching, and watch out for the next video.